Hey guys, it's me Martin and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, ma-celebrate kami sa akong birthday kasi it's my birthday guys. And na subong hindi kami ka-celebrate kitudo kay si Tito Edwin namon ara na sa piyak nga kabuhi. That's why nga amon subong celebration, small celebration lang gini si guys, and thank you Lord kay gingaan mo ko isa ka year, and I hope nga more blessings and birthdays to come para sa akon. So let's go. So this is my outfit. Outfit check.
Wow!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Dali anay, naning ang wish kay gutom na magbisita.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Extension na ba? Thank you guys. So that's the end of my vlog guys. I hope you like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And once again, thank you sa tanan nga nag-reach sa akon. I love you all and God bless us all. Bye!